Melton's graphic art photos, January 2019. It's the end of the month, the 31st. Got started early, and here you go. That's where it is on MySpace. Check them out. Download from here, if nothing else. Graphic art photos prepared as 4x6. Prints, print me out to keep you company on that desk, on that nightstand, on that tabletop. You're going to find something you like in 27,000 plus graphic art photos, so look around. Download. Remember to send them to your friends. And yeah, come see me in person when you can't reach me by phone. 424-229-4140. VMS Imagery. Flickr.com/photos/Immaculate House, where you can find from 2009 on up to this month. It's the last day of the month. Started early. And you got 750 graphic art photos like that in my hand there. Follow the links on ChristComplexLinks.blogspot.com or any of my YouTubes like youtube.com/Melton4Imagery. And it'll take you to where you can find 27,000, almost 28,000 graphic art photos. Print me out. You're going to find something you like in those 27,000. I'll keep you company on that desk, on that nightstand, on that tabletop. Got January 2019 Melton's graphic art photos, 750 of them. On the melton.imagery@gmail.com, which has oh, that's what I've got with my youtube.com/Melton4Imagery. Trying to show you real quick what's in January. And that is January. It's not scrolling for some reason. And so I'll go past a minute. That's Trump's phone gate from December. 750 of these things. You're going to find something you like just in this month. And there's 27,000 in all. Print me out as 4x6 photos. That's what these are prepared as. And I'll keep you company on that desk, on that nightstand, on that tabletop. Melton's imagery, the flower imagery, the skyline imagery as cards. Yeah, I retitled this here so that it'll let you know it's there. Flower and skyline imagery. Shareable link. Oh, like that. Maybe this. Yeah, let me show you real quick. This is yes, ChristComplex2@gmail.com, and that's what it is. A whole bunch of months like that. Big cards and small cards, 4x6. I'm Melton, and my LA skyline. Have wit, will travel. And my flower, shadow, wheelchair imagery as well. Well, gold should be in there somewhere. is in here in LA skyline and other imagery at myspace.com/john.melton.brady. Yeah, that's my name. You just right click on here and download. Oh, I've already got it. 3 months of Minute Tommy Parables to be found. ChristComplex2@gmail.com. And there's that link for them. You have less than 50 megabytes for 3 months. That's plenty of space on your phone. Listen when you got the time. Text, email, and yeah, look for a lot of imagery in the same Google Drive. Saints imagery, skyline, flower imagery. Check it out. Pass it along. Come see me in person to be in this imagery. 424-229-4140. That's why you call stolen. This should be a year's worth of Saints. It's 800 something. On myspace.com/john.melton.brady. Check it out. I don't know if you download or can download or can't download, or if you download they're prepared as 4x6 prints like I uploaded. That's up to you. You gotta figure it out. But yeah, vote-truth.blogspot.com. That is one we can find 27,000, almost 28,000 examples of my work, like this Mormons Beware. We don't like a case in our neighborhood while we're at work, preying on our elderly. Who knows what else? Download, print me out. I keep company on that desk, on that nightstand, on that tabletop. I am Melton, son of a carpenter and married. Daddy carpenter worked on skyscrapers, Mom Mary Ann. I'm son of carpenter Mary. I get to tell parables. These are my Tommy parables for the past 3 months. What does that mean? Oh, I'm thinking this here means you have more folks who can search with ChristComplex2@gmail.com. I don't know. But yeah, the past 3 months are minute parables. Meaning all of you angry brunettes out there and jealous hairy guys who have short attention spans. I get my Tommy in less than a minute or not much over. Check them out, download. Don't take up much room on your phone. Email, text. Where you can find my Mormons Beware. Graphic art, if nothing else. I've uploaded as 4x6 photos like these things are, and these 5s are, but I don't know if it will download that way or if you can download. So check it out, see for yourself. And yeah, the Mormons on hand with high-tech toys prevent me logging into my MySpace. Just now, so I designed that image right there you see as the background. That's in there somewhere. There you go. I'm Melton, and this is my website, ChristComplex2, number 2 to the digit 2.wixsite.com/daffodilia. I'm going to show you, if I can get the time to here, what it looks like on my phone. Come get some imagery from Melton to make your website. Cool. Oh, these they changed. Lately there's been a lot of those Mormons. Truth about the Mormons kind of stuff. But the rest of it, is like this. Snapshots taken with my phone of my website on my phone. These are my folder. This is my folder on Christ Complex 2, I believe. ChristComplex2@gmail.com. And I'm not sure what this means here, but I would think that means you don't have the link. You can ask for ChristComplex2@gmail.com and get it. So public on the web, to me, that would seem like you can use the email to get it. And with the other one, you just need to, you have to have the link. Well, look for me, see if you can find me, and tell others. Download, repost, get that Saints imagery out there.